Hi everybody, this is Dominique, and today I'm going to be talking to you about an ill-structured problem of practice within my classroom. Last year I had a student diagnosed with cerebral palsy, which according to the CDC is a group of disorders that affects a person's abilities to move and maintain balance and posture. CP is the most common motor disability in childhood, and that early intervention is important, such as assistive technology. While thinking about cerebral palsy, I'm going to think about a broader picture of fine motor skills. Imagine being in a first grade classroom, 5, 6, 7 years old, and having difficulty gripping a pencil or a crayon or a marker or even a paintbrush. Think about the limitations that that could have in showing your work or understanding. According to Jising, Jansen, Strand, and Notvik, stated that students with assistive devices helped them master and participate in activities they would have not otherwise managed. Today I'm going to be showing you a technology tool called Kami. Kami is a digital paper pen tool that allows for communication. Through Kami, it is a great interface with Google especially. As you can see here, students are able to open up documents from Google Drive that could be shared from peers or with the teacher, or even create a blank document. One thing that I found that I really enjoy about Kami is the ability to type text, upload recordings through comments, video recordings. You can actually screen capture, you can do a voice comment, or even just a text comment to the side. Students are able to insert images, draw images based with the computer, and as well as even having math equations. One limitation that I found with Kami is that it could still be difficult to push these icons on the side here, especially for those students that we're considering with fine motor limitations. And also there is a text-to-speech options, which is where the computer will actually read the worksheet to the student. I found that to be very confusing and not being able to understand the computer itself. While thinking about UDL guidelines, this technology allows for engagement through choice, collaboration, feedback, and coping skills. The students are able to choose whether they want to do a voice recording for me, or text, or pictures. They are able to get instant feedback from me, again, through that text or even a voice recording. It also allows for action and expression through the responses, tools, and communication through group work and things like that, especially with that Google capability. So overall, I think that Kami is a great tool. It'll show learning, it encourages creativity, voice, and choice, and it can also become very collaborative between the peers and also the teacher.